Our ears are actually pretty amazing. They are completely self-cleaning. The skin inside your ear canal grows outward like a tiny conveyor belt, naturally carrying old earwax, dead skin, and dirt out of the ear opening all on its own. Excessive earwax usually happens when we accidentally disrupt this process, often by trying to clean them too deeply, or due to genetics and anatomy. Here is a safe, effective routine to keep your ears clear and healthy without causing damage. The Safe Ear Care Routine 1. Clean the outside only. Daily, during or after a shower. Wash only the outside of your ear, the pinna, and behind it with mild soap and water. When you dry off, use a clean washcloth over your finger to wipe away any wax that has already made its way to the very edge of the opening. 2. Strictly avoid internal tools. All the time. Never insert cotton swabs, Q-tips, bobby pins, or keys into your ear canal. Cotton swabs act like a piston in a syringe. They might get a little wax out, but they push the rest deep down into the ear canal, packing it tightly against your eardrum. 3. Use softening drops, optional, 1 to 2 times a week. If prone to hard wax. If your wax is naturally very dry and hard, place 2 to 3 drops of plain mineral oil, baby oil, or over-the-counter hydrogen peroxide drops into your ear canal. Tilt your head for a few minutes to let it sink in. This softens the wax so your ear's natural conveyor belt can move it out more easily. 4. Rinse gently, occasionally, in the shower, while showering. Let a little bit of warm, not hot, water tilt naturally into your ear for a few seconds.